Hi guys! Welcome to dev.it-bohol. It's been a while, but now I'm back. Join me in the unboxing of Auraflow X360. Let's take a look. Okay guys, so this is it. Let's see what's inside. We have a box here. This is the, I think, the switch mode for the RGB light. Maybe for Aura Sync control. Oh, the speed of it. We have the fan. Okay, the 3 cooling fan. We have the other box here. The nuts, mountables. Okay. We have this large block. I think this is the where we're going to put, or the cooling system. Tube on it, and I think this is the one that goes to processor, the one that cools the processor. Let's see, it says warning, remove before installation. Cool. Really amazed with this one. So I hope it fits on my PANZERMAX mid-tower CPU case. Do you think it will fit? Just hit the comment below. Let's take a closer look of the fan. So it's actually 3 fan with RGB that has lights on it. And yeah. So I think this one is for the power button, and this one is for the I think the LED, RGB LED, for you to control the colors. Another one. Let's take a look at the again the cables, the modes. Okay. So this is the one that has the controls. We have the color, which is this one, the speed or bright, and the mode. Okay. And this is other cable. By the way, where is the manual? Yeah, here. Okay. It's the manual, how to install it. Chinese, pero na may English. Okay. By the way, I have a RGB LED. I'm not sure if this one is compatible with. There is a LED controller here. I don't know if this with remote control, okay, but I don't know if this one will fit on this. Oh yeah, it fits, and maybe I can use this LED for other RGB stuff on my mid tower case. Okay. By the way, I bought this one on some Shopee. You can just search her on Facebook. And yeah, Auraflow X360 is compatible with AuraSync. Yeah, AuraSync, RGB MSI Mystic Light Sync, and the Gigabyte RGB Fusion. So these are the RGB features on different motherboards. Yeah. So for CPU compatibility, CPU socket, so it is compatible on LGA2066, LGA2011, LGA1151, LGA1150, LGA1155, LGA1156, LGA1366. And for AMD processor, it is compatible on TR4, AM4, FM2 plus FM2, FM1, AM3 plus AM3, AM2 plus, and AM2. So the features of this is advanced pump design, super cooling performance, synchronized with motherboard RGB, stylish premium sleeve tubing, universal compatibility, and easy installation. There you go, guys, the unboxing of Auraflow X360. Very awesome cooling system. Do you think it will fit on my PANZERMAX? Please comment below and like my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification for more videos to come. See you and bye bye.